Hello and welcome to week 4 of LIBS 301. This week we will be looking at the step Find. For this week's to-do list, for required materials, we have the week 4 instructor video, our how to search for relevant literature fast using Boolean operators video, our subject-specific databases. So for this, we will walk through which one you will need to look through. We have a nursing video, social work video, as well as a database video or business video. And then a quick introduction to government websites video. For supplemental materials, we have 2 videos from How Library Stuff Works about Boolean operators and Boolean modifiers. And then we have an article looking at Boolean operators, quick guide, examples, and tips. For our assignments, we have our midterm check-in, as well as our What Are We Finding post. So looking at our information literacy concepts, we are again looking at the step Find. So this is locating the needed information effectively and efficiently. So before we start searching, what do we need to find? So before we ever start searching, we want to be able to mix and match our keywords. So take that keywords list and play around with it. Don't always use kind of the same topics or terms as you go through each of your databases. Mix and match, use those things and phrases that you have created. Then we want to combine our keyword phrases. We can use our Boolean modifiers of and, or, and not to really help build out solid search strings. And then we want to also determine where we want to search. What databases and are there any online options? These would be things such as our government websites and reputable sources online. So let's look at our Boolean operators. Our first operator we will look at is the and. So and tells the databases to search and to find both words or phrases somewhere within the title, the subjects, or the body of the work. Both sides of the equation must be present for the results to show. For an example, if we have peanut butter and jelly, all of our results need to have peanut butter and jelly within them. So on that Venn diagram, it is searching only the center section of the Venn diagram. It has both terms. Those are going to show up. We also have our or. So or tells the search to find either of the words or phrases somewhere within your title, subjects, or body of the work. Either side or both sides of the equation can be present to show those results. For this, we have our peanut butter or jelly. It could have peanut butter, it could have just jelly, or it could have both peanut butter and jelly. So with our Venn diagram, we can see it is pulling everything that has those terms. Now we have the not. Not tells our search to find one of the words or phrases, but not the other. Now these are going to only have the results without the second word or phrase present. So here we have peanut butter, not jelly. It is only pulling things with peanut butter. The moment jelly is mentioned, those are removed from our search results. So searching the databases. So which database to search? So as you guys go into the Brightspace page, you will see there are 3 videos: nursing databases, social work databases, and business databases. You're going to select and watch the video that correlates with your major or subject area. You only need to watch that video as it will walk through how to search and access each of these databases, looking at specific databases for those subject areas. Now, if you are unsure of which video to watch, please reach out to me and we will discuss which databases best correlate with your subject area. So for this week's materials to look through, make sure you're watching our week 4 instructor video, so this video here, our how to search for relevant literature fast using the Boolean operators video. You are watching your specific subject database of how to search. So again, nursing, social work, or business. If you aren't sure, please reach out. And then we do have that quick intro to government websites video. For additional materials to look through, you can look through the How Library Stuff Works videos for Boolean operators and Boolean modifiers, as well as the article on Boolean operators, the quick guide, examples, and tips. Now, for assignments due, we do have our midterm check-in, which is due on Thursday. Now, this is an optional check-in. It's to provide feedback to me. How is the course going? What issues are we kind of having? Is there anything that I can change as we go through the final 4 weeks of this course? And then we have our What Are We Finding post. So this is our weekly discussion post. So discuss what you are or are not finding within your searches. Also, again, remember to respond to 2 of your classmates for full points. The initial post is due on Thursday with our classmates' responses due on Sunday. As always, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I am more than happy to assist. Email or set up a one-on-one meeting. I look forward to seeing you guys working through what you're finding, what you're not finding, hearing how it's going, and kind of helping you figure out best ways to search and find information that you are looking for. Have a great week.